udon or white noodles. Round noodles. So, yan. Mag-init lang naman. Mag-init lang din. Okay, ilagay siya. Fresh kasi ito. With quick serve macaroni. Wanton Flavor quick. This is not sponsored, but I'm going to cook because it's been a long time ago. It's Wanton broth quick serve macaroni. So I'm cooking macaroni in a slow fire. Kasi gusto ko siyang lutong-luto. So, I just let it like that for a little while. For at least 5 minutes. While cooking, I need to read the instruction. For the macaroni into the microwave, safe bowl. Hindi natin ginamit yan kasi nag-ano ko ng cooking pot. Contain of 1.5 to 1/4 bowl of or 530 ml water. Naka 530 ml water ba ako? Hindi nga siya nakaabot eh. Nasa ano lang siya, nasa 400 ml lang siya. So then in high temperature for 4 to 6 minutes until these are tenderness unachieved. Add the soup, mix and stir well. So yun siya. Yan, so cooking pa rin siya. Kasi dinandahan ko lang ang kanyang pagluto. At we start cooking wanton macaroni. Quick serve macaroni. So, nataka ko na itong stock. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang kainin din. Ito yung nakakaano niya kasi mag-alsa yung bubbles. Kaya inihipan ko lang. Ako naman kakain yan eh. okay lang hipan-hipan. Pero pag isi-serve sa iba, no, no, no. That's a big no. Kaya, yan. I-stir muna natin. Wala pa siya, hindi pa siya luto. Keep stirring. Pag ikaw lang kakain, okay lang hipan-hipan mo siya. But if you're not the one who eat, no, no, no. Don't blow. If somebody will eat that one, but I'm the one who eats, so I can blow. So let's keep stirring for a moment. And this is quite yummy, yummalicious, just delicious. So as you can see, it's getting burger or macaroni. So it means it's almost done. In a few minutes, we already start mukbang. So it's like this. Times like this, we need juicy fruit crumb. So because it's cold today, I just wanted to, not today, already night, I just wanted to drink soup, and is what I'm thinking. So kind of quick eating. And yan. So I make it slow fire a little bit so that I can move, because I'm going to serve tea. Oh, it's already done. I seen in this the appearance of our macaroni is getting bigger, and that it means so, but it just not based on how big it is and how like transparent or what kind of this luminous texture, but just pick a little bit so that it's make sure it's really done, but not really I want that something crunchy. So I can pour out the sauce, the packet instant flavor. So it's wanton. Lalagpapag ng aking paligid, I need to use the exhaust fan. Dahil alam mo, nag-ano na yung mainit dito sa kitchen. And I'll pour out the flavor. Pour in. Yeah, I'm going to start mukbang in a few minutes. Yan na siya, masarap na siya, and look at that, it's yummy. So switch off the fire and let's start to dig eating. So as you can see, I already have a big bowl of wonton macaroni here, and it's looking yummy. Oh, so far I like this one. So this is already done, and I'm going to take picture. Here's the wonton soup, wonton macaroni soup. And take a look. It's nice if you have something bowls to can put in here, like octopus bowls or fish bowls like that, so that will be more nicer, but I don't have, so this is for a little bit for this moment, and I love to eat this one. Yummy. It's macaroni with flavor of wonton. Masarap siya, and I like this kind of texture. Hindi siya masyadong malambot yung ating macaroni. It's just sakto lang siya naluto. At hindi siya soup. So, at super init guys. It's good sa weather ngayon na malamig masyado in chill, super chill. So it's good, this kind of weather. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much and hope see you next time. God bless you all.